Hey there, I'm Rachel.
And my name's Dawson. And that's our friend Engie.
In each episode, we will explore the world of STEM with you.
Whether it's learning how a computer understands your keyboard inputs,
or determining how shade helps you feel cooler,
we're here to help break down these concepts so that everyone can understand them.
And together, we make STEM happen.
Today, we're going to do engineering.
3D engineering.
That's right, Brian. So today, because we can't have Rachel here, we have a very special guest.
Hi, I'm Brian from NIAR. NIAR is a place within Wichita, connected with Wichita State University, that does a lot of aviation research for local companies and companies around the globe. We solve problems that they can't solve on their own, and together we can build a better plane or better whatever product they're trying to build.
That sounds really cool.
Yeah, it is. And our lab in particular focuses on 3D modeling. So we use CAD within computers, the 3D model parts. And then it makes it easier for people to be able to build parts and put them on the aircraft and have them fly.
So at my job, I use NX.
And here we use CATIA, but there's a variety of different softwares that you're able to use. The one that we're going to use today is called Blender. It's an open source software to where everyone can have it and download it for free.
Sounds really cool. Let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
So in my job, I use 3D modeling to design aircraft parts. Brian, what do you use it for?
I use it for a lot of the same reasons you do, working at NIAR, an aviation research company, but we also use it for other products as well. There's other companies that might need a plastic part or something, other polymers, carbon fiber that needs to be made. So we have 3D printers that work with all those varieties of different materials that are able to go and make those parts for those companies.
So that sounds really cool. I heard you mention plastic, and I have been looking for a phone stand.
Let's make you a phone stand.
Let's make one.
All right, let's get some ideas up on the board. So what are you thinking about for this phone stand?
So here's my phone.
All right.
I was thinking like it kind of sits at like this angle.
All right, like that.
And then I want it to like stay at that angle, so I need a support of some kind.
Maybe like a back support like that?
Yeah.
Is there anything else that you're thinking about for a stand?
So I want to be able to charge it when it's on the stand.
All right. So let's add a little ledge here for it to sit on. And then from this angle, you have the little ledge there. You'll have a hole. There's your phone, the wire.
There we go.
And then you just have your back like that.
That is exactly what I was imagining.
Perfect. Let's get it on the computer and model it.
Let's do it. Okay, so what's the first step?
So we're in Blender now, and you start off with this 2 unit by 2 unit by 2 unit cube. And from there, we can go and we can build your phone stand like we drew up on the board.
Okay.
So we have 2 units here. I think we said each leg we wanted to be 6 units long. So we'll do up, but we're going to go 1 unit because we want to be able to get the lip area.
Oh, so we can extrude
when we extrude off, so exactly right. So now we'll do another, click off here, the reset, doing our 2 units. And that's because you'll want the last 1 unit, just like you did the lip, to be able to extrude off to get the other leg of the stand. Exactly.
And how are we extruding?
So you just press E. So if you go, you click your face that you want to extrude off of. You press E, and then you just hit 1. And there you go.
Oh, that's pretty easy. Okay.
Yep. And all of this, you'll want to make sure that you're in edit mode up here. And you'll want to make sure you're in this face select mode.
Okay.
Because that will allow you to do all this cool stuff. So now you can go through, and up here you can spin it.
Ooh.
So you can go up here, select your face, and then you want to go 5 units.
Because that's already
4,
1.
because that's 2 actually.
Oh, you're right. It is 2.
Yeah. So then we'll go and we'll spin back. Now we got the ability to grab your surface there for your lip.
Okay.
E. And then we can do 1. And there's the basic shape of what you want.
Okay.
So now we want to move it wider.
Right, we want it to fit the phone.
Yep. So we can do, and then if you hit control, just like if you're control selecting in another software, you can grab all these faces multiply. And then you can go and you can extrude this out.
Okay.
So we'll do that too. And then we'll do it again.
For the little edge?
Another 2. Well, you're going to have your notch in between.
Oh, yeah, for the charger.
Yep.
Okay.
So you can easily just go here, hit that, and that allows you to grab this guy and not the middle part there.
Oh.
So 1 there. And now you have your base shape of your phone stand.
Okay.
You can mold this how you want. If you wanted a larger phone stand for a larger phone, or if you wanted a tighter angle instead of this 90-degree one that we have here, you could do that if you wanted. It just customize it to whatever you'd like.
Okay, so now what do we do?
So now we can save this off and we can 3D print it. You can do it at a variety of different places. There's plenty of makerspaces across Wichita and in other cities across the nation. But I think for us, we're just going to do it here at NIAR. It's going to be pretty easy.
That sounds pretty cool. This is so cool. It fits my phone really well. I can't believe we made that sketch into this model.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. We do a lot of this reverse engineering type work here at NIAR, and we'd love to have high school interns come and help us and join the team. So if you're in Wichita and interested in this type of work, click on the link below and we can get hooked up with an internship.
And if you got so excited by the video that you decided to model something of your own, feel free to send us your sketch or even your Blender file.
And we can make the best ones and show them off to the world.
Thanks so much for modeling with us.
I hope you learned something and enjoyed your time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Until then, see you next time.
Wait, that's my line.
Engie, we're gonna learn it from Engie. We're gonna learn it from Engie.
You didn't know? Trade
Big
secret.
thoughts.
You have to sign an NDA.
NGA?
Yeah.
Engie, we're gonna learn it from Engie.
Me now. Having such a good time. Having a ball.
We're gonna learn it from Engie. She's a robot from
I modeled that technically in GTM because it was easier for me to do.
Engie. She's a robot from Sweet. We're gonna learn it from Engie.
That's me. Thanks for joining us today. See you next time.
Fancy.